Today we will be testing a scalping indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a scalping indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 364 different strategies, with 117 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 260 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,035 indicators, with 431 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a scalping indicator. And so the source video says, new indicator that has zero lag and endless profit potential, you'll be speechless. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now, good grammar in the title of the source video, and so that's definitely a plus. Now whether or not we'll be speechless, I guess we'll see. And so again, this is going to be just a single indicator, and so again, I give props to the source video for that. Often they will say that it's a single indicator, but then add multiple indicators together. And so the indicator that we are looking at today is going to be the B band stop trend indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And it looks very similar to, say, like a super trend type setup, or even could be considered close to the parabolic SAR, the way it has the little dots. But the indicator itself, again, like I said, has these two lines, green line and a red line. You can see them bouncing above and below the price action. And so the setup on this is pretty easy, as you can guess. When we have a red line above price action, we are looking to take a short. When we get a green line below price action, we are looking to take a long. And so, like I said, it's a pretty simple setup. You see how we get the break right here. We pick up a red line for a moment. Then we pick up a green dot right here, which is the beginning of a new potential uptrend. And so that would be our signal to then enter into a long. So what we're going to do is put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right at that dot, or what will eventually be the green line that forms. And then we are going to target a 1 to 3 risk reward. And so way up here, right about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so it takes just a moment. We just kind of bounce around, but then we make this nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for, so we're looking for that break. So you can see how we have the red line right here, and you can always bump up the size of these lines here. And so there's the dots, and then there's the lines themselves. And so you can increase the line weight of these just to make them a tad bit easier to see. And I believe you can increase the dot size as well, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe. Yeah, so you can increase the dot size. Get that back to the right color. Alright, there we go. And so they're a tad bit easier to see. You have the red line right here, the green line right here. And you can see that we pick up a red dot right here, which is the beginning of, again, potentially a new short trade or short trend, which would be our signal to then enter into a short. I'm going to put our trade right here, put our stop right at that dot there, and then target the same 1 to 3 risk reward, just like before, right there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, we make a really nice dive to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades we got 9 winning trades and 49 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 18% win rate. And so with the 1 to 3 risk reward, if you are looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $5,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $200 per losing trade, which means that your total drawdown would have been $4,400. So not a great indicator, at least not in this fashion, I guess I would say. And so compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator during the same period of time. Did 41 trades altogether. We had 33 winning trades and 8 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 80% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $19,800. On the losing side, you'd have lost $9,600 for a total gain of $10,200. Now with the new position management strategy, definitely would have increased the win rate around the high 90%. And so the total gain on this would have been significantly larger, around the $19,000 range. And so if you are interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. And as a patron of the channel, you will receive not only the free trial and discount to the Academy of Forex indicator, but you'll receive a video that will walk you through a position management strategy that will all but guarantee your success using the Academy of Forex indicator, putting the win rate in the high 90%. And you'll also receive a video walking you through how to get an account with a crypto broker that'll give you up to 100 times leverage and has 0 ID requirements or proof of citizenship. And I'll show you how to get access to that broker from almost anywhere within the world, giving you the ability to start profitably trading with the Academy of Forex indicator within an hour. And recently we've been working on a crypto scalping strategy. You can see some of the trades on screen now using that strategy and using the position management strategy to some extent. And so you can see some really good results. If you're interested in that crypto scalping strategy, you can click a link up in the corner now and it'll take you to the video. The link looks like a little eye or a little dot with an eye in it. If you click that, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails. Just click on the thumbnail that says new crypto scalping strategy and it'll take you straight to that video. All right, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.